starting off my day here at Bourda Market in Georgetown, which is one of the biggest and most popular markets here in the city. And they talk about this in terms of farm to market to table. So everything here is super fresh, all so lovely and colourful, and it smells amazing.
This is sapodilla.
Sapodilla?
Right? So no, take out the fag.
I think I tried this in El Salvador.
You possibly could have. It's like cinnamon, it's got brown sugar, it's got honey in
It's
there.
a completely different flavour to anything else, really, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's like a mix of sweet and savoury, actually,
right.
isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yum.
And so
So we've come to a famous water coconut stand here in the capital, and they've been selling these for 65 years. Oh, that's so deliciously sweet. Apparently a lot of people think that they put sugar in it because it's so sweet, but obviously they don't. Just super fresh. So we're taking a walk in the national park, which is very close to the sea wall. And it's a very lovely place anyway. There's people playing football, lots of butterflies, lots of birds. But the main reason that we've come here today is because it is home to some manatees, which I'm incredibly excited about. I've never seen manatees before, and these are the West Indian manatees. This has just made my day. I didn't expect to be able to see them so close. This is lovely.
Oh, it's so cool.
That has made me really happy. I've wanted to see manatees for a really long time, and being able to spend time with them like that is just very lovely. I like seeing them swim along snuffling. The next stop is in Rassville, and here we're coming to Tony's Puri Shop, and Tony and his family have been making puris for about 20 years. This of course is a very famous Indian fried bread which is made from unleavened flour, and I'm going to be learning how to make them and get some ready for my lunch.
rolling.
I always like to get involved, so who better to learn from than the boss, eh?
Thank you so much.
Look, this is how it's going to go.
Okay.
What do you say? You can put it in there. You have to do one. This is good. It's all right. Bring the flour now.
The girl makes it. Y'all filming this?
No, what? Take it down there. Got it. And just control it. You come.
It's quite therapeutic, isn't it?
That's good. It's a good shape.
We're going to take it now to the pan. Take over from the trouble.
Yay!
How many puris do you make every day?
Just over 1,000.
1,000? Wow.
Yeah, just over that.
So just behind me is St George's Cathedral, which is one of the largest wooden structures in the world. I was told that the Guyanese say that it's the largest, but apparently it's the third or fourth. Taking a walk down the avenue now, which is a very lovely area. Some beautiful trees up above. And just to the left of me is the Prime Minister's house, which is an interesting architecture. And apparently the reason it's got such a high tower is so there was always a view of what ships were coming in, and that actually used to be the British High Commission as well. Hello. So I'm heading into the Stabroek Market, which is one of the most popular shopping areas here. There's lots of food stalls to grab a quick bite, as well as clothes, shoes, and then round the outside there's lots of vegetables and fish traders as well. I love a local market. I always think that this is the kind of place where you can get to know what a town is all about. There's also quite a few gold shops as well, because the two major exports here in Guyana are sugarcane and then also gold. So there's lots of stalls selling some very lovely items at good prices as well.
As I said, we're Muslim here, salam alaikum. We got a lot of...
It's all halal, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. nice. I think Guyana is such a multicultural society, and there's a lot of Muslims here as well, so quite a few of these butcheries are actually halal butchers. So the market was built in 1881, and it still seems to be as active today as it was back then. So we're just at the back of the market now. This is the Demerara River, as in the sugar, Demerara sugar, which of course originally came from here. And our activity this evening is we're going to be going on one of these lovely boats,
do a
have some
sunset.
sundowners, have some food.
Yeah.